Hey buddy, Mark from the Geek Church here, and you might be wondering, what am I doing? Where am I? Well, we got a special thing we got to review, and we got to do it here in front of a TV. And this is it right here. The Mirai Speaker. And man, we're going to unbox this and set it up with this TV right here. And we're going to do that right after this. Okay, I'll have to adjust the angle of this once we hook this all up, but hey, for now, let's just unbox this thing. And we'll try and get everything in the shot if we can. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Okay. Any questions? Okay, in addition to that flyer, I've got this flyer. And apparently this says, experience clear dialogue right out of the box. So I believe that one of the purposes of this speaker is so you can hear dialogue clearly. Like if you're watching a TV or a movie, I don't know if you do this, but I gotta do this because essentially like I gotta turn on like subtitles just so I can hear what the actors are saying, because a lot of times there's all these explosions or lots of other stuff going on in the background. I can't even hear the initial dialogue. That's not a fault of the creators of the movies. It might be a fault of my TV or the way sound is put into it. And if you want to hear that stuff, I highly recommend giving this a try. But I want to try it out because I haven't yet. Okay, before I take out the speaker proper, I just want to take out this thing. The box that I noticed it was on top of it, and I want to see what's inside. Let's see. Okay. Alright. So far I'm seeing... Aha! It has a remote, so I'm guessing that this thing is going to be exist apart from your TV set, so you're probably going to need this remote here. We'll check that out. And it has the batteries for that remote right there, and a cable of some type. This is probably the audio cable, and there's a few cables actually in here. We'll get those out one at a time. And here is, of course, the power source. Okay, just to be clear, I decided just to take out the operation manual, and I found that this is an optical cable, and this is your typical 3.5, is it 3.5? Yes, it is. Okay. Millimeter audio cable. So it comes with both that and that. So I think with that in mind, we can probably hook this up here, but I'll let you get a look at the speaker proper. Okay, so without further ado, why don't we just take it out? This might not be the best angle to do it at, but I'm going to take that down. Okay, here we go. Awkward angle. Okay, comes in this bag, and this is it right here. Notice it's aesthetic. Almost kind of, I don't even know how to describe this kind of look to it. This actually feels like it would work in the 70s, maybe. Okay, maybe 70s, maybe 80s. I mean, this kind of looks like it's kind of a boombox. I'm liking it so far. The issue is I gotta test this out here. So I'm looking at the back here. There's a switch on the back for on and off. I didn't really expect to see that, but now that I know it has it. Okay, so we have power and we have audio and optical. I don't know if it can do Bluetooth. I'm going to check on that. Okay, I don't see anything in the instructions about it being Bluetooth enabled. I have it here, but I haven't quite connected to my TV yet. Why don't we just do that? We'll just plug it in and try it out. Okay, I've got it hooked up to the TV here. Optical cable. I've got it plugged in, and it's apparently on, I guess. I'm going to turn on the TV, see if it just works right off the bat. Granted, let's see. I'm not sure what, I usually have it preset to some sort of channel, so let's see what we got here. Where'd it go? Keep your hands. Ready? Bye-bye. Okay, right from the get-go, I'm hearing sound from the TV, so that's pretty good. I don't really know if you want to hear the dialogue that they're saying here, but what is this? It's Repo or something? Operation Repo? I'll also put in the subtitle what the heck this is. Operation Repo. Oh shoot, I just remembered. I've got a remote control for this. Actually, let me just see if the hand dial works.
These guys look like some crazy acrobats, and they let an older
yes
guy get the keys from them.
Hoping the sound is really good for you. You can hear this. Okay. Alright, this thing's working. So that's good. That's very good.
You know what? I gotta tell you, I don't like you, but dude, that was...
I got my wife in the next room taking a sick day, and yeah, if she comes out here, that might be a good sign that this works.
I figured you're gonna run back to the truck and take the truck, and that's exactly what it is.
I'm gonna say I got clear dialogue. I mean, you know, I really need it before and after though. Shoot. You know what? I really want to do this on a film that I really want to see with a stereo speaker like this. Okay, if I was going to play something there, I wanted to check for sound. I was going to have to check with this one. You know what this is. Don't flag me on this. Don't at me for this because I'm going to... You know, this is on a... Yeah, see? I got to demonstrate this somehow, Warner Brothers. Don't come after me on this. You too, Village Roadshow pictures. All right. Let's see what we got here. Okay, there's some dialogue right here I want to hear. Hello?
Yeah.
Is everything in place?
You weren't supposed to relieve me.
I know, but I felt like taking a shift.
You like him, don't you? You like watching him.
One of my favorite films.
We're gonna kill him. You understand that?
Morpheus believes he is the one.
Do you?
It doesn't matter what I believe.
You don't, do you?
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
Are you sure this line is clean?
Yeah, of course I'm sure.
I better go.
Okay, I think I had that turned up mostly all the way, maybe not quite all the way, but there's a scene in this movie that I love, so I'm just going to play it because I feel like playing it. Yeah, you probably knew this scene was coming, so let's just do it, shall we? Oh yeah! How good is the sound on this? Good dialogue. Oh yeah. That scene still gets me every time.
Always here.
Dodge this. Yeah. Yeah, just there's a power button on here. What does it do? Okay, it looks like it turns it off and on.
You move like they do.
Okay, that's pretty good.
I've never seen anyone
I'm assuming
move
that the
that
switch
fast.
has to be engaged in order for this thing to work.
Fast enough.
Otherwise, what's the point? I'm gonna, just for the sake of argument, I'm gonna try it.
Not yet.
Nah, I didn't think so.
Let's go.
Okay, as you can see, the hang on. Okay, as you can see, you got a great stereo speaker right here. And let's see, I forget the price of this thing, so I'm going to list it here. And yeah, for now, I think I just might watch the end of this thing. I always like this film. And anyway, this has been Mark Owens from the Geek Church, and I am signing off.